I can tell I'm really going to need your help today figuring out how we can cure Nitnot's hiccups. Will you help me?
You will? Great. Okay, so we gotta find, right, because that's the first clue. Yeah, then we put it in our notebook. Because the clues. We gotta find another paw print. That's the second clue. We put it in our notebook because they're whose clues? Clues. We gotta find the last paw print. That's the third clue. We put it in our notebook because they're clues. You know what to do. Sit down in a thinking chair and think. Because when we use our minds, take a step at a time, we can do anything that we wanna do. Okay, ready?
We need to figure out a way to cure Nitnot's hiccups. Now, did you see which way Blue went?